Once a separatist bastion, Anantnag Kulgam is witnessing intense election campaigning. Anantnag seat will decide fate of former J&K Chief Minister and PDP President Mehbooba Mufti. Her main rival is National Conference leader Mia Altaf. The seat has also exposed fault lines within India bloc. While both PDP and National Conference are constituents of India bloc, here they are fighting against each other and Congress is backing National Conference.
Influential Gujjar leader Mia Altaf is National Conference mascot to beat the regional and ethnic fault lines in Anantnag constituency after boundaries of the parliament seat were redrawn during delimitation. His massive following among Gujjar and Bakarwal tribes in Rajouri and Poonch districts is seen as a substantial vote bank for the National Conference. But as the challenge from his rival PDP's Mehbooba Mufti is formidable, Mia Altaf blames PDP for the present situation in Jammu and Kashmir after its alliance with the BJP in 2015.
जिन्होंने यहाँ पे बीजेपी को लाया, जिन्होंने उनके साथ गवर्नमेंट बनाई, जो इससे पहले कुलगाम की गली गली में बोलते थे कि हम अगर नहीं आएंगे तो बीजेपी आएगी, लोगों के साथ फ्रॉड किया, लोगों के साथ धोखा किया, और अगर इस तबाही के जिम्मेदार जो है ये वही लोग हैं और वही पार्टी है.
Anantnag seat is split on either side of the Pir Panjal mountains, which has limited road connectivity for the most part of the year. Mehbooba Mufti, who is running a high-pitch campaign, blames Mia Altaf for using his religious position to garner votes.
वो फतवे दे रही है, मजहबी फतवे दे रही है कि अगर आपने फलानी को वोट नहीं डाला तो आप जहन्नम में जाओगे, आपके साथ ये होगा, मरने के बाद आपके साथ वो होगा, आपको बीमारियां लग जाएंगी. तो एक जमात तो वो कार्ड खेल रही है, जो बहुत ही बदकिस्मती की बात है, क्योंकि हम समझते हैं जो पीरी मुरीदी है ये बड़ा पाक रिश्ता होता है, ये वोट का रिश्ता नहीं होता है.
Political parties are grappling with the reality of new electoral map as the delimitation exercise has drastically redrawn electoral boundaries in Jammu and Kashmir. These mountains divide one part of Anantnag parliamentary seat from the other part, which is in Poonch and Rajouri. In between is Shopian district, which has been made part of Srinagar parliamentary constituency. So there is a clear geographical disconnect.
While the BJP has not fielded any candidate from Anantnag seat, it has an informal alliance with Apni Party. The BJP is hoping that scheduled tribe reservation to Pahari community, which forms a large chunk of votes in Poonch and Rajouri districts, will pay electoral dividends. The constituency is spread over 4 districts with over 17 lakh votes from different ethnic backgrounds. The outcome may redefine political realities in high-stakes battle of Anantnag. With Nazir Masoodi, Bureau Report, NDTV.